What's up, everybody? Don't really know what's gonna happen too much today. Mostly just a shop day. We're gonna head down to the shop, and I think Tim's down there putting a DNA motoring header on his CC Swap DG coupe. So I'm just gonna film whatever we get into today. All right, down here at the shop. All the Civics everywhere. What we got today?
Back to the green Civic. Today we're going to be replacing this dump heap I've had since the early 2000s and replacing it with the new one.
What is this? DNA motoring, right?
Yeah, some cheap stuff again, but it's a Civic. Well, it's chrome. I don't know if it's good. Plug.
Seems all right. Does it fit? All right, well, we'll get this new one thrown on here and probably give it an oil change. And all right, so y'all know how to do an oil change, but we got the filter and everything off, so just put a new filter on, throw some oil in, we'll throw that header on. We also got to weld this tow hook back on. Went ahead and got it all prepped, and we're also going to clean and rebuild this carburetor off a 64 Chevrolet C10.
Put it together down there. Looks good to me.
That's a pretty good fit.
It's flat up there.
All right, well, we'll just feed that O2 sensor wire back up and tighten all the bolts down, and then we'll see how this thing sounds.
Yeah.
Oh wait, we got to put oil in it. Don't forget that part.
Really.
All right, so header and oil change is done on this car. We got to weld the tow hook back on here so we can put a trailer hitch on. Zach's hanging out again today.
What?
Bring Tim a mask.
Doesn't fit.
He's just
there it goes.
cleaning that up. That way we can weld this tow hook back into place. And then over here, we're working on this carburetor. Got it taken apart, just those 4 bolts right there. And then that part comes off of here. And clean all this out, get it looking new.
Flash paper over there. Fireworks, it's like daylight. Yeah. And then they had a bouncy thing, they had a bouncy part. Oh, that hurt. He's like, I'm an EMS, not a firefighter.
Right. See any fire in there?
There's some smoke in here. Hold up for a sec.
Yeah.
Still is. Oh, that's on video.
On the left is the old one,
Sorry, Dan.
and the right is the new one. All right, what y'all got going on back here?
All right, so
Man,
got the hitch sort of mocked up.
bumper off.
Bumpers off, covers off. This just loops over the freshly welded tow hitch.
Yeah, he's doing this so he can carry his 50 around. All right, so this carburetor is going back together now. We replaced all that stuff and all this, and this car back here is going back together also. All right, well, we got this old Chevrolet carb all done. I didn't show too much of it. And then Civic again. Hey, it's all back together.
Yep. Hear that? Doesn't look too bad. Bumper fit back on.
I like it. So are we gonna start it now?
In a minute, yeah.
All right, cool. Yep. Yeah. All right, so we got that green car done. Did an oil change on the CRV and went ahead and threw some new O2 sensors in the Sequoia. And now we're working on the Gambler car. But I actually bought the wrong spindle from LKQ, and it's a DX spindle, and you can't fit the EX brakes this time. So I'm gonna pull this spindle off, and then tomorrow we'll go to LKQ and get the right one. LKQ is the local junkyard. Yep. All right, there's that. So now I just have to go to the junkyard tomorrow and get one for the right car, and then put it all back together, and then next weekend we'll be in the dirt again. I guess we'll pick it up tomorrow after the junkyard. I got a little bit behind schedule and threw all that back together and forgot to film. That's all back together, and I'm starting to get tired of the double stack spacers, so I'm probably going to order some wheels for it, same as what's in the back here for the front. But it's gonna be pretty much all for this one. Next week's video should be the Alabama Gambler. But thanks for watching.